What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I have a few cheap dividend stocks that are hot buys right now. These are some REITs, and some of them are dividend stocks. They have excellent dividend growth, and I'm going to give you a surprise dividend stock, actually a REIT at the end. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check these stocks and REITs out right now. First one I want to go over is Realty Income Corporation. They don't need really any introduction. Their FFO is strong as well. They're sitting at $49.91 right now. Average volume is 5.59 million. I own 100 plus shares of them. The market cap is 35.38 billion US dollars. Year range is 48.42 to 68.85. Day range is 49.88 to 50.80. Previous close is 50.97. So a lot of you that are new to this YouTube channel, I'll go over their revenue trends and their dividend history real quick. Their revenue is strong and so is their dividend. And FFO, again, is very important when it comes to REITs. Forget about PE ratio and that stuff. That's not something to look at. FFO is very important. So revenue-wise, this is annually in millions US dollars. 2016, 91, 2017, 111, 2018, 137, 2019, 187. 2022, 48, 2021, 339, 2022, 429. So annually in millions US dollars, these guys have done very well. So I'm going to jump to their dividend history. Everybody knows Realty Income. They call themselves the monthly dividend stock, or REIT, and they're one of the most popular real estate investment trusts out there and one of the most popular monthly dividend stocks out there. So look at the dividend trends. 2015, 19 cents. 2016, 20 cents. 2017, 21 cents. 2018, 22 cents. 2019, 23 cents. 2020, they're at 23 cents to 24 cents. Just cracked 25 cents in 2022. They just cracked 26 cents in 2023. So you're going to see, normally people will say a high payout ratio with REITs, but again, FFO, just look at the funds for operations. Obviously, if they're paying way more than their earnings and stuff, because remember, 90% of what they make go back to investors, because MPW started dealing with issues like that. I'm considering rebuying MPW, actually. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 23. Dividend growth in 5 years is 3.05%. So if you bought one share, you made $307 with a 6.03% dividend yield. Still pretty solid. It's less than $50. Let's check out the next dividend stock. Oh, one of my favorite business development companies, Hercules Capital. Hercules, sitting at $15.93. Again, their dividend yield is 10.04%, a PE ratio of 7.18. It's low. Average volume is 721.64K. Market cap is 2.42 billion US dollars. Its year range is 1094 to 1805. Day range is 1591 to 1628. Previous close 1626. Don't expect this business development company to beat the S&P 500. I use them strictly for income. Love the business development company. HTGC is a symbol. I'm going to show you their revenue trends and dividend history. The one thing you have to be aware of with a business development company is 90% of what they make go back to investors. And again, with real estate investment trusts in business development companies, if you made $500 on Realty Income or Hercules Capital, don't quote me on this, hopefully I'm right, but you have to report it as $500 worth of income. So a lot of people like putting the business development companies in traditional and our Roth IRAs. And again, I'm not giving any tax advice, not tax advisor, but they like putting them in IRAs, and you can correct me if I'm wrong, so that they don't get taxed on the dividend income. So annually in millions of dollars, 2016 175, 2017 190, 2018 207, 2019 267, 2020 287, 2021 280, 2022 321. Good revenue trends. Now let's check out their dividend history. It's a little of a interesting trend with their dividend. So I'm on their website because they have quarterly and supplemental dividends, and sometimes it'll be thrown off on Zach. So 2018, at one point they were 31. Their quarterly dividend, like I said, 31-cent distribution. You get a little supplemental 2 cents. Sometimes you'll get a little 1 cent too as well in 2018, 2019. Then in 2019, still, they were 32 cents. And then you sometimes got a supplemental of 3 cents and 5 cents. 2021, you get a little bit of a nice supplemental dividend as well of 7 cents. And then they were 32 cents quarterly distributions. And see this little supplemental of 7 cents. And then 32 cents and 7 cents. So it's almost like you're at 40, 40 cents right there. But then look at this supplemental, 15 cents and another 15 cents with a supplemental, and the quarterly dividend is 33 cents. And then in 2022, the dividend was 35 cents quarterly, and then supplemental was 15 cents, and then it cracked 36 cents. Then it cracked 40 cents quarterly with a supplemental of 8 cents. So you're seeing some nice little supplemental trends in quarterly dividend trends. So I wanted to go over them for you. I love them. Now let's jump to the next dividend stock. Another one is Aries Capital Corporation, another business development company sitting at 1924. Not doing too hot against the S&P. I like it. It's a business development company. Average volume 2.70 million. The market cap is 10.72 billion US dollars. Year range is 1695 to 2017. Day range was 1921 to 1949. Previous closes 1950. So sometimes people run into prospect capital where they decrease their dividend over time, which is not good. You don't want to see that. You want dividend hikes. You want dividend growth. You want good revenue trends. So let's check out their revenue and dividend history. We have some decent trends of revenue. This is annually in millions US dollars. 2016, 1,012. 2017, 1,160. 2018, 1,337. 2019, 1,528. 2020, 1,511. 2021, 1,820. And then 2022, 2,096. So the revenue has increased from 2016 to 2022. It's a high yielder. Now let's check out their dividend growth. And for a high yield business development company, this is beautiful. So look at this dividend growth. 2011, they started off at 35 cents. Then they cracked 36 cents. 2012, 37 cents. 38 cents. Little stagnant at 38 cents for a few years. And they jumped to 39 cents in 2018. Then 2019, 42 cents. 2020, 40 cents, and they cracked 41 cents in 2021. And 2022, they cracked 45 cents. And then 2022, they cracked 51 cents. And then they got a little bit of a small cut. Not too concerned because they're at 48 cents. So their dividend growth in 5 years is 4.28%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. Payout ratio is 85%. But again, a business development company, 90% of what they make go back to investors. So if you bought one share, you made 192 with a 9.85% dividend yield. Now let's go to the bonus stock, or REIT. I really like this one. I own them. That is known as Getty Realty Corporation. I'm going to do a quick review. Sitting at 27.49, the average volume is 310.89K. Market cap is 1.39 billion US dollars. Year range is 26.78 to 36.49. Day range is 27.39 to 27.70, and its previous close is 27.80. So what makes these guys interesting, and why did I buy them? I'll explain to you why. So first, I'm on their website. GTY is a symbol. Enterprise value 2.4 billion. 1,053 freestanding properties in 39 states. Okay. There's got to be some information out about them that attracted me, and I'm going to show that to you. Freestanding properties offering essential goods and services tied to convenience and automobility. So, convenience and gas. This is the one thing, I'll go over this one last. They have 692 properties. Car washes. Remember, I went over the arms race with REITs and car wash properties. That's crazy. There's still an arms race. 86 properties they have. Auto service, they have 69 properties. That's huge. And 6 properties with auto parts. So these convenience and gas stations. One thing that could be concerning as everybody's changing from gas to electric vehicles, but it's going to take a long time. And these guys can convert to a charging station. They can do a lot of things. So again, these guys have been very strong. FFO is a little iffy. I mean, I won't confirm them. I'm going to be long in them, but I still own them and I'm still buying them. But this is one I'm still closely watching just because of this 692 properties they have. You know, what is going to happen in the future, I'm not sure, but I'm sure they'll adapt, and I'm going to keep an eye on investor relations and what they are doing and their announcements. They just announced a new $150 million unsecured loan, unsecured term loan. So we need to keep an eye on them. I'm going to go over their revenue trends and dividend history. One thing that is going to have me continue to buy them is their revenue trends. 2016 annually in millions US dollars, 115, 2017, 120, 2018, 136, 2019, 140, 2020, 147, 2021, 155, and 2022, 165. So normally their FFO has been consistent. There was a little bit of a decrease, but I'm not too concerned with that. I like the revenue trends. I like the way things are going with them. And I have a feeling, and again, not giving financial advice, I'll go over my disclaimer at the end, they're going to start sucking up more car washes. That's one thing I think that is going to keep them to be very competitive and a very strong REIT in the future. So I'm going to jump to their dividend history. So I'm going to jump to their dividend growth. 2012, they were 13 cents. 2013, 20 cents. 2014, 20 cents. 2015, 22 cents. 2015, 24 cents. A little bit of a drop to 22 cents in 2016. Then 25 cents. 2017, 28 cents. 2018, 32 cents. 2019, 35 cents. 2020, 37 cents. 2021, 39 cents. 2022, 41 cents. 2023, 43 cents. So their dividend growth in 5 years is 5.07%. The dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. If you bought one share, you made 172 with a 6.19% dividend yield. So I like it, and that's why I wanted to add them as a bonus stock, because I really like the way they run as a company and as a real estate investment trust. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I'm going to try to squeeze in a video in the next 2 days, but make sure you hit that subscription button, because I'm going to do a few shorts, maybe squeeze in a very fast video for you. So got to hit that notification bell after you subscribe. You guys take care and have a great Wednesday, and I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use this in any form of financial advice, for entertainment purposes only in this YouTube channel. Again, make sure you do your due diligence when you invest in stocks. Make sure you do your research. Make sure you speak with a financial advisor, somebody that's certified to give financial advice. I'm not giving you financial advice. Like I said, entertainment purposes only. I have a disclaimer in the description. I own all 4 of these dividend stocks. And if something drastically changes, I'll sell them. But again, I like the way things are going with them. When you invest, there's a risk. You can lose money, you can gain money. So I just wanted to make everything clear. I'm not giving financial advice or tax advice. See a tax advisor regarding anything regarding taxes as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And again, hit that notification bell after you subscribe. And again, investing, you can gain money, you can lose money. This market's crazy. So there's always a risk anytime you invest. Take care.